So 2-0 lifetime against the Angels. Looking for win number 8.
1-2 delivery on the way. A comebacker. Tillman's got that one. He'll run it halfway over. The underhand to Davis. Just a game above 500 against the East. 10-9. And a swing and a miss as he chased up high, and there's the first strikeout for Tillman. 1-2 delivery on the way over the top, and he got him. That'll be the second strikeout in a 1-2-3 inning for Tillman.
If he wants to go with Hamilton hitting .339 with runners in scoring position,
should have gone. Yep. It'll go to center. Adam Jones is there, puts it away for the out, and again Tillman able to get that big last out. Ibar off second, Kendrick off first. Good speed both places. That's there.
Yeah.
Boy, he got him on that one. Here's the 3-1 delivery, and that ball's hit hard off Davis's glove. Jonathan Scope's got a play. It gets him. Mercy. How about that one? It's going to be a 3-4-3, and it'll hold the lead runner at third base. 0-1 with 2 away. Tillman's delivery. This ball in the air and right at Nick Markakis, and Tillman is out of another one. No runs on 1 hit, no errors.